Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
There are many ways to make pixel-based selections in an image file. Elements provide you with several tools you can use to select pixels in an image. You have a set of marquee selection tools, a set of lasso tools, the selection brush tool, the refine selection brush tool, the quick selection tool, the magic wand tool, and the auto selection tool. There are also a few menu bar commands that you can select to make pixel-based selections. Usually, after making an initial pixel selection in Photoshop Elements, making another pixel selection then replaces the existing selection. However, there are also additional pixel selection options that let you add pixels from another selection to an existing selection, subtract pixels in a secondary selection from a primary selection, or select only the intersecting pixels between two selections. These selection modification options vary, however, based on the selection tool you use. To make selections using the menu bar, you can use the Select Menu command. Before making a selection, click to select the layer in the Layers panel that contains the pixels that will define the selection shape. Then you can make selections defined by the pixels in the selected layer using the menu bar or one of the toolbox tools. To select all the pixels in a layer, choose Select, then All from the menu bar. To select the subject in a layer using AI technology, choose Select Subject from the menu bar. To deselect a selection, choose Select Deselect from the menu bar. Alternatively, to deselect a selection if using one of the marquee tools or lasso tools, click into the image outside of the selected area. To reselect the previous selection you made, choose Select Reselect from the menu bar. If you make a selection and then want to select everything except what is currently selected, choose Select Inverse from the menu bar to select everything that isn't selected, excluding the original selection. To move a selection after making it, select one of the marquee tools or lasso tools. Then make sure the New Selection button is selected in the Tool Options bar. Then click into the middle of the selection and drag the selection to a new location and release it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.